Good morning, my dear children. Are you doing your works? Okay, very good. So, we have reached to the last portion of our chapter first, that is layout of pictures. Till here, you have learned so many tools and so many steps to draw a poster against the child labor in the GIMP software. So, I think these are clear for you. We can move to the last session, that is flipping of the images. What do you mean by flipping? Yes, you can see that option in your mobile phones while editing the photos and all. Okay, so imagine that I am standing like this and taking a photo in your camera. After taking the photo, you will get an image in your gallery. So if you want to make it like this, okay, you want to flip that image. So I think you understood what is the flipping of images. Is it clear, my dear children? Okay. So let us move to the practical session. Are you ready? Okay.
Okay, we can open our activity that we have done in the last class. Open students work 9. Here you can see activity 1.xcf. Okay. It is opening. Here the toolbox is visible. Now we can open the layer palette by clicking on Windows, dockable dialogs, then click on the layers. Okay, now the layer palette is also opened. Now we want to open a new image to our poster for flipping that. For that, click on File, click on Open, then go to School Resources, Standard 9, Images. From here you can open any of the image. Now I am opening children.png. Click on the Open button. Now the image is opened. So we can copy it, edit, click on copy. Okay. Now we can close this window because we don't want this for any further need. Now we can create a new layer in the layer palette. Give the name as flip. Click on OK button. Now the layer is created. After selecting that, we can copy it by clicking on the edit option. Then select paste. Now the image is pasted. Using the move tool, we can change the position like this. Okay. Then to remove the floating, click on the anchor the floating layer. Okay. So this is familiar to you. That is what we have to do. Just bring an image from our home folder to the poster. This step is familiar to you. Now we are going to introduce a new option, that is flipping option. So we want to take a duplicate of this layer. So click on the flip layer. Then right click on that. You can see duplicate layer option. Okay. So here you can see flip, copy. A new layer is displayed here. Now using the move tool, you can move the new layer to the opposite side like this. Okay, here is the time to use flip tool. Search the flip tool in your toolbox. Which is the flip tool? Can you see here? This is the flip tool. So click on the flip tool. Then click on the image which you want to rotate or change its position. For flipping, you want to select the original layer. Okay, not the duplicate layer. Select the original layer in the layer palette. Then click on this tool and you can select the image which you wish to flip. Like this. Okay. So, did you understood how to flip the images? Nothing is there. Just bring an image to the poster. Then create a copy or duplicate of that image. Then move that to its position. After that, you could select the original file in the layer palette. Then click on the flip tool and then select the image that you wish to flip. Okay. Now we can save the image by clicking on File, then select Save. Now it is saved. Activity 1.7, change picture clarity. So, suppose you want to include an image into this poster, but the clarity of that image is very much poor. So, is there any option to increase the clarity in the GIMP software? Yes, very good. We can handle that image and we can increase the clarity of that picture by using the GIMP software. For that, we can open that image in the GIMP software. Click on Places, go to School Resources, Standard 9, Images. Then you can select any of the image from this. Now I am selecting back to school.jpg. So if I am double clicking this, is it open in GIMP software? No, it is only opened in an image viewer because the extension of this image is JPG. So if we want to open it, its extension was to be .xcf. Okay, so just right click on that, select open with the other application. Click on that and select GNU Image Manipulation Program. Select. Now the image is opened with the GIMP software. Here the layer palette of this image is also opened. You want to create a duplicate of this. This is the duplicate button. Click on that. Now the duplicate is created. Okay. Now click on the colors menu. Then select brightness contrast button. Here you can see slider. By moving it, you can adjust the clarity like this. Okay. Okay. So then click on OK button. Now you can copy and paste it into your poster. After that, you can resize it using the scale tool. By the help of layer palette, you can remove the floating. Okay. So, dear children, are you clear about increasing the clarity of an image? Okay, go to the colors menu and then select brightness contrast menu and you can adjust it using the help of slider. Okay. Now we are moving to our next activity, that is activity 1.8, filter tools. Imagine that the picture of a boy who is engaged in child labor is to be included in your poster. So, you want to blur the face of that boy and you should include that in the poster. So, to make the face of the boy blurred in the poster, you have to use the blur tool. Okay, blur tool can be seen in the filter menu. For that, first of all, select the layer which includes the picture that you have to blur. So we want to bring another image from the images folder showing the face of a child. Here you want to blur the face of this girl child. Okay, so we can see how can we blur the face. Now the selection is in the new layer in the layer palette. Now you want to go to the selection tool. So this is rectangle select tool, this is ellipse select tool. With the help of this tool you can select the portion which you want to blur. Now I select the face of that girl child. Okay. Now click on filters menu. Here you can see the blur option. From this you can select anyone suitable for you. Like this. Okay. So if it is enough, click on OK button. Now the face is blurred. Now you can save your work by clicking on File, then Save. So you have almost finished the poster. To include the completed poster in a presentation or any other, to send to any other person, you want to export it into any other file format, because .xcf file is only supported in the system or computer that having the GIMP software. So if you want to share this image or poster, you want to export it into the JPG format or to the PNG format. So JPG and PNG are the image file formats. So for that you want to click on the file menu. Here you can see export as option. Click on that. The name is activity 1. Here you want to select the file type. There are so many file types. From this you want to select any one. Here you can see JPG image. Click on that. Now click on the export option. Export. Okay, now we can go to our home. Students work 9. Here you can see activity 1.jpg. Okay, now the poster is exported into JPG format.
So here our chapter is over and we can continue with the second chapter in the next class. So till here you want to write one word question and answer and complete the notebooks of chapter 1, and you want to write it very neatly and clearly. Okay, so don't forget that you don't want to write the brief descriptions of this chapter. You have to write only the one word question and answer. Okay, so we can meet at the next class by the chapter 2. Till then, stay at your home and stay safe. Thank you.